What's up, beautiful people of YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's a double header. I'm actually doing two on-feet reviews in one episode of two of my newest New Balance sneakers. We have the Tokyo Design Studio 997 over here, and we also have the X90 deconstructed with that leather cap at the very end. Guys, welcome to the vlog. It's a double review. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway and we are about to draw the winner. The winner of the Realme C1 smartphone will be drawn in a few days' time, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well as Realme Philippines, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Let's start with the 997 Tokyo Design Studio. So what is Tokyo Design Studio? Tokyo Design Studio is actually a brand that brings together the designers of New Balance from the US and Japan to come up with excellent sneakers like this one that use Japanese craftsmanship and design. So it's a special line of New Balance sneakers that are usually more premium and have that distinct look, that very Japanese distinct look, minimalist, straightforward, it's subtle and premium, all rolled into one shoe. And that's what you get with this 997 sneaker. Of course, the 997, guys, one of the most iconic silhouettes of New Balance, one of their best runners, and now it's really one of their bigger, like athleisure sneakers that people wear. I think it's the perfect time to take a look and to take the 997 and give it this added premium touch. Let's get to the review. Let's kick things off with the style. When it comes to the style, I love the fusion and the juxtaposition between the minimalist upper of black and then you have that pop of summer color here at the heel. So if you take a look at the upper, it's really all black. I mean, it's straightforward black. And then you have like a white foam here for the midsole, which starts here, the midfoot, all the way until the very bottom. But you have that pop of color over here. You have that blue, you have that yellow, you have that some sort of violet, and that some sort of like salmon color here at the very bottom. The color actually reminds me a lot of the colors that they used for the Sean Wotherspoon 97-1 Air Max. But hey, I just want to call that out. I'm not necessarily sure they were inspired by it, but it's something that I see when I take a look at it. So it's that balance between and that contrast between the minimalist black with the pop of color here at the heel, definitely a nice thing. Apart from that, I love how they did the New Balance branding. It's so subtle, so silent, but it's also very premium. It's embossed over here along the side. It just says there, New Balance in gold. I mean, take a look at that. It's not usually that subtle. It's usually much more louder. If you take a look at other New Balance sneakers like this one, which has the N loudly stamped on the lateral and the medial side of the shoe. Now, apart from the overall look, I also love the materials that they used. Guys, for the upper, dominantly, it's some sort of like nubuck, soft nubuck material, which transitions into pebble leather over here. That's the part where you see here in the middle of the sneaker, which continues all the way here at the back of the heel. Then you have leather lining for the inside, which gives it even more premium and luxury feel. And yeah, overall, it's just an amazing upper and overall, like, I don't know, style that they used for the different elements of the shoe. Now, if you take a look at the midsole, that's where all the technology is. As you've seen with previous 997 sneakers that we have reviewed, there are three key technologies that's being used for the shoe. The first is Absorb. That's the yellow thing that you guys see here, which actually stretches all the way to the midfoot of the shoe. Absorb is a special type of EVA foam that's proprietary to New Balance. It's supposed to deliver better cushioning, better support, and more comfort compared to your typical foam. Now, apart from the Absorb, we also have the end cap reveal. That's this particular part that you guys see here. The end cap reveal protects and keeps the durability and integrity and structure of the Absorb form. So which is again another proprietary technology of New Balance. And lastly, you have the motion control device. It's actually, written down there, which actually provides better arch support for people like me who have flat and wide feet. So all of those three technologies are found in this shoe, coupled with that really, I don't know, like mind-blowingly amazing design. I don't know if you should call it mind-blowing, because at the end of the day, it's really just black and a pop of color in the back. But overall, I just love the overall look and the technology that you get with this shoe. Now, if you don't want the all-black look, there's actually a gray one. So instead of black, it's gray. That was also released together with this shoe. Now, the question is, how is the sneaker on on feet. As you would expect, it is comfortable. The Absorb combined with the end cap reveal and the motion control device delivers excellent performance and all-day comfort. My only criticism is that I feel that the heel part is so high compared, and it tapers down abruptly to the toe, to the point that it feels like you're wearing or some sort of elevated heels, which forces the foot to go deeper into the toe box. So if you get true to size, I have a bad feeling that it might be too tight for you guys. So you might want to consider trying out going half a size up, just because when you start walking and your foot starts to slide down because of gravity, you still have some room and you won't be hitting the tail end of the shoe, which might make your toes uncomfortable. Apart from that though, 2 thumbs up, great sneaker. I love it. I've been wearing it a lot ever since I bought it. That sneaker, by the way, I was able to pick up from Commonwealth. The next sneaker is the X90 Deconstructed, and this shoe I was able to get from Soul Academy. And again, another kick-ass multi-brand store that you can find. Well, they have multiple branches. They even have a branch now in Cebu. But anyway, this is the X90 Deconstructed. I'm a huge fan of the X90 silhouette. I have a bunch of X90s, from the yellow ones to the Korea exclusives to the premium pack. I love the X90. I just happen to feel that it is an easy, everyday, super comfortable sneaker that's super affordable as well. I think at around 5,000 to 6,000, which usually goes on discount. So you can even get it for less than that if you time it properly. But anyway, this is the Deconstructed in black with the leather toe cap. So as you guys can see, it has a mix of mesh, leather. That's the leather part that you see here, as well as here in the middle, with that leather toe cap here at the very end. You have the Hytel strap, the window over here, all of which are hallmarks of previous 990 or 99X sneakers brought together to be able to make the 99 series a little more modern. That's why it's called the X90. Now this one, I just love the color blocking. From everything from the black to the creams to the white midsole, everything is just on spot and on point, which makes it a very easy sneaker to wear. Guys, if you are looking for an everyday casual New Balance shoe, you really have to check out the X90. It's a fantastic casual sneaker, delivers excellent style, super cool look, and at the same time, super comfortable. The great news is that when it comes to style and overall choice of colors, they've released a ton in the last few months. So just take a look around, just Google the color choices that you guys have and buy the one that you like the most. This one for me is really good because I love how versatile and easy it is to wear, but probably my all-time favorite X90 till today is still the X90 Korea exclusive in black. That one for me is the best X90 to date. Everything from the different laces, the presentation, the color blocking, that sneaker is just really amazing. So that's actually it for our double header, our double New Balance sneaker review. What do you guys think? Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the Deconstructed X90 with the leather toe, or do you prefer the 997 Tokyo Design Studio sneaker that we have over here? I would love to hear from you guys. Please do hit the comments. Let me know your opinion. Let yourselves be heard with our community. So before we end, a surprise unboxing. This package came from our good friend Shoe Freak PH. Shoe Freak PH is one of my favorite online resellers. I actually hit him up a lot. He's one of my plugs, and he sent me over this really cool looking off-white vault colored socks. So it comes in your typical mint green box, and I just want to unbox it with you guys so we can take a look at it together. So here is what this is what the socks look like. So it is in that vault colorway. You have off written here in the outer side, and then you have off-white written at the bottom. So this will probably go really, really well with the Volt Air Force Ones if I eventually get around to copying that shoe. I really want to buy that shoe, by the way. I just can't find anybody selling a size 12 here in the Philippines. But yeah, check out Shoe Freak PH. He's been a staunch supporter of this vlog for the longest time. Show him some love, buy a few shoes from him. It would mean the world to me to show my supporters your support. So guys, that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can be part of our Realme C1 giveaway, which should be happening in a few days. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? You know it. Boom.